In this video, let's talk about how to fix Spotify Premium not working. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now, if you're having issues working your Spotify Premium, there are a few things that you need to ensure. The first thing that you need to do is verify your account status. Make sure that you are under the correct plan, or make sure that you are using the correct account that has the subscription. So you can simply head over to your profile and make sure that you are using the correct profile which has the subscription. Now, once you check that, and if this is not the issue with you, then what you can try out in this situation is, first of all, try to log out of your account. So just tap on the log out button, and once you have been logged out, log back in and try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to clear the app cache. Just hop out of the Spotify app, tap and hold the application, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the Spotify platform, tap on clear data and then tap on the clear cache option. Alongside that, what you can also try out, if this step is also not working out, you can do is try to uninstall Spotify from your device and then again reinstall. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues with it, then what you can try out in these situations is try to use a web browser, whether on your phone or on your desktop or laptop, and log into Spotify using the web. If you're having issues using the web as well, this is likely due to Spotify being down right now. So in this situation, you just need to wait out a few hours before the issue is automatically fixed and before you can use the premium subscription. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.